I have been talking to Katie from Secret Stories for a while, and she has sent me this package and I'm so excited. So Secret Stories is all about using brain science to accelerate phonics. So she has sent me a little pack that I can use in my class, and hopefully I can show ideas on here and share with everyone. So let's open this bad boy up. Okay. Da, da, da. Oh, so these are the flashcards that they use for the sounds. And I know Katie was telling me something about the red is important because it's important to do with the brain science so that we remember things when they're on red. So I'm excited. What else have we got? Amazing. So this is all of the Secret Stories. So the way they do phonics is they have literally a secret story for each sound. So let me just have a little look, see if I can find one. So Qua. Q never goes anywhere without his best buddy U. Together they make the sound Qua, and that's the sound they make. Queen, quiet, quarter. And then there's an action with it. Students can stand with their friend arm in arm like best buddies and make the Qua sound. So it looks like this, so it's super easy to read. And this is so up my street because I'm all about actions and finding different ways for them to remember. And oh my goodness, there's a CD in the back. That's so exciting. Let's see what else we got. Decorating, posters. These look amazing. So hit up Secret Stories, and I'm so excited to use these. Thank you.